My name is Tim Dake. I'm the General Manager of Project Construction with Nevada Copper at the Pumpkin Hollow project. Pumpkin Hollow is both an underground and surface mined copper deposits. And our design is to mine it at a rate of about 67,000 tons a day once the mills and the mine are in full production. Once we pull the trigger and start full design beyond the feasibility studies, we'll go into basic engineering and then into detailed engineering. For basic engineering, we'll purchase and make commitments on long-range equipment. That would be process equipment and mobile mine equipment. The big items, the trucks, the shovels, the grinding mills, the flotation, and the major processing equipment. Those commitments, don't know the totals. Trucks are about $4 million a piece. Mills are in the range of $25 million. So we're talking some very large dollars. Once those commitments are made, we'll go into detailed design, how everything fits together, and the details of how they'll be built, and roll that right on into construction phase. We'll start the earthwork, bring in a contractor to do major excavating for the mill site, upgrade roads, get the power lines brought in, and continue on with the civil work, the foundations for the process plant, and then the machinery arrives if everything's done correctly, the timing of the machinery arriving, when the foundations are ready to receive them. As it all comes together, then the buildings are erected, the pipings are fitted, the instrumentation is installed, and there's a tremendous amount of detail work for both piping and process and instrumentation and electrical and control systems to make sure everything runs smoothly. In the mine, on the mine side of it, there's about 18 months of pre-stripping. That would be done with right now 4 electric shovels and I believe 14 350-ton class haul trucks. They would be going 24/7 for 18 months to reach the ore in the surface mine. All that would have to come together in order to get the ore to the mill when the mill is ready to accept it. Once the commissioning of the mill takes place, the ore is fed into the mill, and our product is a copper concentrate. We would ship the copper concentrate to buy truck from the property to a rail siding. Right now we haven't determined, we have a couple of choices for rail siding, and we've yet to develop that further. And then by rail, once the copper cons are loaded into rail cars, they'd be shipped to the West Coast and then head overseas to our customers. During the peak of production, Nevada Copper will employ somewhere in the neighborhood of 790 to 800 people on site. That'd be a 24/7 operation covering the mills and both the underground and the surface mines. During the first 5 years of production, Nevada Copper will produce approximately 538,000 tons per year of copper concentrate. Now, that copper concentrate will include 274 million pounds of copper. That's 274 million pounds of copper each year. It will also include over 53,000 ounces of gold and 1.1 million ounces of silver each year. Once the property is in full operation, during the first 5 years, we will spend approximately $500 million per year for operating costs. Included in that operating cost are $15 to $20 million per year of Nevada mineral proceeds tax. That money, the mineral proceeds tax, is distributed among the state, city, and county governments to greatly enhance the revenue of Lyon County and the city of Yerington.